Hello lovely people, it's Loretta with Sparrowhawker Designs. Welcome back to my channel. So I have journals. My spring craft bear season is now over and I made a ton of journals for the craft bears, and these are the ones that are left. There's 5 middle-sized ones and 4 paper bag journals, and there aren't any big journals left, but I'm gonna go through these in a minute. But first, I want to do an unboxing for you. Your creative studio reached out to me and asked me to do an unboxing, so I said yes. So I have opened the box, but I haven't looked inside. I haven't seen like what's in here. So yeah, so this is your creative studio. Let's see if there's a way to just lift this out. Whoop. So they have an online website. Oh my goodness. Oh, how pretty. She has an online website in Canada, I think it is where they're based. And she sells journal supplies. So, oh my gosh, what all's in here? I don't know, but we'll see. Oh, look at beautiful papers. Oh my gosh. I should probably open these because I don't know if there's a glare. There's some little checklist cards here. Those are cute. Pretty. Oh my gosh, it's pretty paper. Alrighty. And so these are little checklists you can put in your journals, like in aren't those cute? That is adorable. This is masking tape. Oh, it's like washi tape. It's pretty. Oh my gosh. So, I don't know if there's like a membership or if you can just go and just buy whatever. Oh, look at the stickers. The sewing themed. How perfect. This is a stamp sticker set. Anyway, I will leave a link to her shop in the description box. These are awesome. And I think that they are, yeah, they're clear. So it's not like you'll have white on your page. Those are so cute. What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that. These are beautiful. Wow. Those are, I hope you can see those. Those are really beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love those. Wow. Well, thank you so much. Oh, look, a little sewing machine charm. And this is a cling stamp, a couple of cling stamps. So yeah, so she has like a package. So that's a thread. This is measuring tape. This is a bobbin. So these are stamps that, you know, you use ink and stamp your fabric on, or your, well, you could do fabric, but paper as well. There's another cling stamp. So I think, so this came, oh look, it's a sewing machine. How awesome is that? Oh my gosh, this is perfect. So this came in a box that was marked January. So I think she does like a monthly thing. There's a doily. And here is some more washi. Oh, pretty. It's sewing themed. Oh my gosh. Well, I guess I'm going to have to make some quilt journals. Oh, beautiful. And I will use all of this in the quilt journals that I'll end up making. Let's see what else is in here. Oh my gosh. Oh, little cards. This is pretty. Yeah, that's beautiful. Beautiful paper. Oh my gosh, beautiful cards. Oh, those are upside down. There you go. Yeah. Well, thank you so much. These are really beautiful. Thank you so much. So all of this came in this one little box. I don't know what I did with the box now, but anyway, oh, here it is. So all of it came in this one little box, and it is marked January. So I think she must have some kind of a like a monthly subscription thing. Just the paper. So she's at, I think it's Your Creative Studio. Let me see. I think it's yourcreativestudio.com. It doesn't really say on here. So I will leave a link. But anyway, such lovely, lovely things. Thank you so very much. And now that I have all of this sewing themed stuff, I will have to make some quilt journals. I was wanting to make quilt journals anyway. These are so cute, this little checklist. I was wanting to make some quilt themed journals anyway. And now I have stuff to make them with, and I just love these scissors. These are so pretty. Well, I thank you very much, and I hope you all will go check out her website and maybe order some goodies. Okay, so I also have, these are 4 paper bag journals. So this one is a reading themed. This one is garden themed. And these 2 are just sort of modern, well not modern, I guess modern watercolor kind of journal. And they're in the paper bag as usual. Here's your little pocket. Here's the journaling paper. And then here's the fold out. Pocket here. Yeah, I just think that's so pretty. So yeah, so I know I've been absent on here because of the craft fairs and being sick. I got sick again, and just it has just been, from December till now, has just been one thing after another. And anyway, and then with the deadlines for the craft fairs and stuff, I've just been so incredibly busy. But I don't have another craft fair now until the end of July, and it's Geek Fest. How fun is that, right? So I'm gonna make up a bunch of journals for that, for that are gonna be like fantasy themed, you know, so like dragons, werewolves, vampires, you know, that kind of fairies, that kind of stuff. So anyway, this one is book themed, which is awesome. I love this image. So all of these will be in my Etsy store. by the time this video goes up. This one is garden themed. It's always so amazing to me, like, which journals are the ones that sell. So I took a ton of journals to this last craft fair, and I sold a lot of just the generic ladies, you know, and garden theme. Those seem to be the ones that sold the most. But not all. I sold a winter one. I love making winter journals. I'm not going to take a really long time to go through these. Here's a pocket up here. Because I love winter, and I love all the winter imagery. Oh my gosh, you guys, my printer stopped working. Which, you know, for somebody like me, having your printer stop working is catastrophic on a monumental scale. Oh, but I think I have it working again, which is good. But anyway, yeah, no, I love the winter images, and all the winter papers and snowflakes and all that kind of stuff. So I just can't get enough of making these. So yeah, one of these did sell. And these are sort of the mid-size that I make. These are just one signature. They're fairly plain. I don't have a lot of laces and trims and stuff like that on them. They're not like my bigger, more expensive ones. But anyway, here's some piano paper. The funny thing though is that you do get a lot of interest. Like, people, they will stop and look at the journals forever. I mean, they won't necessarily buy one, but they will stop and look at them, which is kind of cool, because you at least realize that people are liking what you're doing, right? What you're making. I love that. Oh, big kitty. This is a pocket here. So yeah, on a whole though, I think that a lot of people were really struggling at the fairs this year. I don't know. I'm not sure why. But anyway. So I hope everybody's doing well. I also am in the process of getting some slow stitch kits up in the shop. But so I have one kit, but I'm actually really in the process of putting together. I've been downstairs cutting fabric forever. Like, just cutting fabric over and over and over. To put up in the shop. Those might not get into the shop for another week or so. But anyway, and then I should be on in the next week or two with my next slow stitch piece, and I'm trying very hard to get together the sew along project that I'm hoping to launch like the 1st of June, and we'll just do it for 6 months, like June through December. Although I don't know, I may end up doing it longer, because I think it's going to be more than six pieces. But anyway, hopefully I will get that done. Yeah. There's an envelope in here. This is one of my favorite images that I own. So these are two women around 1910, 1915 who are wearing their grandmother's dresses from the 1850s, 1860s. and it says, the original picture on the back, it says that they're wearing grandma's clothes or whatever. I absolutely love it. So anyway, I won't keep you, make you go through every one of these, but yep, these are all available. And it's so funny, like last year I had so many requests for anything purple. Isn't that funny? Like it's just weird how you get the interest from people changes. But anyway, I hope everybody is doing well. There are 5 of these mid-size, and like I said, they'll all be up in the shop. So I hope everybody's doing well, and I hope to get that. I'm working on the slow stitch project for the second half of the year. So anyway, all right. I'm trying to go fast. I know, like, if I don't come on YouTube and do a video, it seems like I'm not doing anything, but then you see all this and you realize, oh, no, she's doing all kinds of stuff. Well, shoot, that went in there. Well, anyway. Alright guys, this is the last one I'm going to show. So I will talk to you guys later. I didn't want this video to be too long. And hope that everybody is doing well and enjoying spring if you're having spring, or autumn if you're having autumn. So, alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye.